I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Aliane. Today's video is an after dark cleaning. If you need some cleaning motivation, let's get up and do it together.
Should give you more than a goodbye, baby. What you want? Tell me why you want. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again.
I am starting out in the kitchen, so I'm going to first put away the leftovers and then I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the dishes.
I'm hearing the beat now, it's pulling me in. Meet me at midnight, oh yeah, oh yeah. If you're ready to get down, bring your friends. Meet me at midnight, oh yeah, oh yeah. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's like fire, yeah, it'll leave you burning. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's so sweet, sweeter. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. If you think that you got it, hands up, put your money where your mouth is. It's like we're magnetic. You're pulling me in.
It was such a relaxing night for me. The kids were in bed, my husband was out with his friends, and I just grabbed my headphones and I put on my music and I went to town. I love listening to music or watching a cleaning video. I find that if I watch a cleaning video while I'm cleaning myself, it kind of motivates me as well. So I hope that that's the kind of motivation that you guys get from this video as well. And yeah, so I just wanted to take my time and clean my kitchen and make sure that it is ready for the next day. I just love waking up to a clean kitchen.
Money where your mouth is.
So the dishes were taken care of, the dishwasher was running, and now I was going ahead and wiping down my countertops. I recently replaced all of my microfiber cloths, and these are new and they just feel so nice. They wipe so well, they don't leave any water behind, it just dries right up. So I really love these microfiber cloths, and I hope that I can keep finding them. I purchased them from Canadian Tire. If you are in Canada, that's where I get them in case you are interested. But look at here, you guys, how messy my dinner was. I wanted to take care of this mess right here. It was so greasy and so gross looking. So I went ahead and I used my Lysol all-purpose cleaner, and then you will see in a moment I'm gonna go ahead and use my my stovetop cleaner as well, because I did have a lot of yucky stuff that were caked on there and burnt. So my stovetop cleaner does such a good job, and I'm going to show you guys in a second. There it is.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire.
Once everything was wiped down, I went ahead and I also gave a quick wipe down on all of my appliances, and then I also moved on to the next room, which was my dining room.
Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, never mind. I don't wanna touch
I love waking up to a clean house. I find that when I wake up and the house is clean already, it kind of sets my day to be a little bit more successful, and my mood is a little bit different. It's better, and I feel a little bit happier, and I just want to tackle the world, I guess. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you are the same. Do you just love going to bed knowing that your house is clean, or you just like whatever, tomorrow's another day? For me, I will stay up all night cleaning, knowing that I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and the house is going to be clean.
Dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine. You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't.
Once the cleaning was all done, the last thing that I had for the night was to take care of the floors. So I went around sweeping and mopping. I love to vacuum, but obviously the kids were sleeping, so I didn't want to wake them up. So the broom it was. I prefer vacuuming, honestly. I just feel like it's faster, and I feel like the vacuum picks up all the little things that the broom doesn't get to pick up. So yeah, at nighttime, I tend to just go ahead and do the sweeping.
As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest, I know you want it. Put some work in.
That is it, you guys. Here I'm just showing you guys the overview. It was so late at night, and it was my time to go to bed. My husband was back home by this point, and he was actually in bed, so I was definitely the last one to go to bed. But I wanted to make sure that I finished all the cleaning and I could relax in the morning when I get up and not have to do any cleaning. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
All that I ask is for you to